As if bleeding in the brain isn't bad enough, 1 in 5 survivors of brain hemorrhage have an irregular heart rhythm called atrial fibrillation. This puts them at risk of stroke and other events due to blood clots. Anticoagulant drugs can protect people with atrial fibrillation against blood clots by thinning the blood. But thinner blood means an increased risk of bleeding, and we don't yet know if this is safe or effective for survivors of brain hemorrhage. To fill this knowledge gap with the strongest type of evidence, a team of researchers from the UK conducted the SoSTART randomised clinical trial. They divided 203 survivors of brain hemorrhage who had atrial fibrillation into 2 groups. One group took anticoagulant drugs and the other group didn't. Then they kept track of everyone for up to 3 years and checked for recurrence of brain bleeding as well as other major events due to bleeds or blood clots. Compared with the no-drug group, the anticoagulant drug group had 4 more brain hemorrhages. But overall, the anticoagulant drug group had 12 fewer major bleeding or clotting events compared with the no-drug group. So what does this mean for survivors of brain hemorrhage with atrial fibrillation? On one hand, it wasn't possible to prove that taking anticoagulant drugs was as safe as avoiding them. But anticoagulant drugs might reduce the overall risk of a major event due to blood vessel clotting or bleeding. So these results are an encouraging starting point from which to confirm our findings in a larger clinical trial.